Next we are going to see with the expression for pressure exerted by a gas. Consider a monoatomic gas which has n molecules. So we are considering a gas and the molecules, number of molecules in that we are considering as n, and it has a mass m. So the mass of these molecules is considered to be m, and the container, it has a side L. Okay, so this side of the container, that is said to be L. The molecules, since they are having the mass m and it has a velocity v, we can say that the molecules can move in any direction. So that we have seen already in the postulates, is it not? So postulates, it is said that they randomly move in all the directions. So we are considering the directions to be x, y and z. Okay, so if it is moving along the x axis, it is vx. If it is moving along the y axis, it is vy, and z axis, it is vz. Okay, so v has a components vx, vy and vz. Okay, and it hits the right side of the wall. So we are considering the container, and that container we can say that that hits on the right side. And we know already that the collision is always what? Elastic. So elastic, what it does when it moves, it return backs, is it not? So as it hits, it return backs because it is a elastic one, and so we can say that it has a same speed, and when it is moving along the x component, it is reversed. So x component la போகும்போது it is reversing back. Okay, and the components of the velocity are written as minus vx comma vy comma vz. This is after collision. So here we are writing this alone to be minus. Why we are writing as minus? Because it is going and hitting and it is returning back along the opposite direction. Since it is moving along the opposite direction, we are writing as minus. Okay, before collision we'll take it just as vx. Okay, and after collision we'll be taking as minus vx. Yes, now if we take the formula for momentum, momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Okay, momentum is written by p, that is equal to what? Mass into velocity. Now if we take the x component, and that too before collision, before collision what is the velocity? Is vx, and so we are writing this as m into vx. Clear? So the x component we are writing as m into vx. Same way, next if we write after collision, it is given by minus m into vx, because after collision v becomes as what? Minus vx, and so we get minus vx. Okay, now next is change in the momentum. So the change in the momentum is given by final minus initial. So final is minus mv, then already we have a minus here, then initial is what? Mvx. Okay, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is what? Minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 m into vx. Okay, then according to law of conservation of linear momentum, we are neglecting with a minus sign in this, so we get minus 2 m into vx. Okay, so this is a momentum we have got. Yes, so have this momentum as it is. This you will be using it in the later steps. Okay, so what is the formula for momentum? Which is 2m into vx. Clear? Now the next is consider the molecules, and it is having the distance of vx into del t. So how we are writing this? Because the formula for velocity is equal to what? Distance divided by time taken, is it not? And from this, distance is equal to what? Velocity into time taken. Here the velocity is written as vx and the time taken is written as del t, and so distance we are writing as vx into del t, and it is moving towards the right and it hits the wall at the time interval of del t. The next is the number of molecules. So the number of molecules which takes at a distance at a time of del t, it is given by product of the volume and the number density. Okay, so what is the formula for volume? Volume is equal to what? Area into distance, is it not? So area into distance, already just now we saw the formula for distance, which is vx into t. Now area is written as a, and the distance we are writing as vx into del t. Okay, and the number density is denoted by small n. Okay, and the number of molecules per unit volume is given by capital N divided by V. Okay, now taking with this both, this number density, that is the number volume, and also this, okay, we are going to find the number of molecules. Okay, so the number of molecules is given by del in a time del t, that is equal to N divided by 2 into A Vx into del t. So why we are taking as N divided by 2 is because only half the molecules will move. Okay, while when we consider the full molecules, we are considering only for right side, is it not? So for the right side, only half the molecules will be moving, and the remaining may move on the left side or to the other direction, and so we are considering as N by 2. Yes, next is the momentum. The total momentum is given by total momentum is what? Del P, and that is given by del of T into the momentum. So momentum already we found out what is the value, 2m into Vx, is it not? So this value we are substituting here, and del T is what? N by 2. Yes, now Vx into Vx, that becomes as what? Vx square. Okay, this value of 2 get cancelled, n as it is, a Vx into Vx is Vx square, and m into del t. Okay, so this gives del of p, that is the change in the momentum. Next is we have to find with the force. Force is equal to what? Del p divided by del t. Okay, so what is the del p value? Is del p, which is equal to n a m Vx square into del t. Okay, this when you are going to divide by del t, this get cancelled, so we get n m a into Vx square. So we have got with the force. Next is we have to find with the pressure. Pressure is equal to what? Force divided by the area, so F divided by A. Okay, so this we are going to divide by A, so A get cancelled, so we get n m into Vx square. So we have got the value of pressure. Okay, so pressure which is acting along all the directions, that is when we consider with the x. Now when you are writing this in the vector form, that becomes as p is equal to n m into Vx square vector. Okay, and assuming that all the velocities are equal, so Vx square is equal to Vy square is equal to Vz square, and so the total V square is given by Vx square plus Vy square plus Vz square. Since all the terms are equal, instead of this Vx and Vz, we can write it as Vx itself. Okay, so this full term becomes as Vx square plus Vx square plus Vx square, because all the three are equal. So instead of Vx and Vz, sorry, Vy and Vz, I am writing like this. So 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 Vx square. Okay, and from this, if we need the value of Vx alone, bring this 3 down, and so we get Vx is equal to 1 by 3 into V square. Yes, now already we know the formula for P. P is equal to what? Which is N m into Vx square, is it not? Now instead of this Vx square, substitute this value here, and so we get 1 by 3 Nm into V square. Yes, now this n can be written as what? Capital N divided by V. Yes, so capital N divided by V, m into V square. So this gives a pressure exerted by the gas. Number density, which is n, that is given by what? N divided by V. It implies that if number density increases, then pressure will increase. So on what factors the pressure depends on? Okay, so pressure is equal to what? 1 by 3 n divided by V into m into V square. Yes, so n divided by V is what? Number density. If this is increasing, pressure also increase. For example, when we pump the air inside the cycle tire or the car tire, what happens? The number density increases. As a result, the pressure also increases. So inside the tire, okay, number density, the number, how much the density is, that keeps on increasing, that makes the pressure also to increase. Yes, then Second thing is it depends on the mass of the molecule. Okay, since the pressure arises due to the momentum transferred to the wall, larger masses will have larger momentum. Okay, so larger masses will have larger momentum. As a result, so the pressure also will increase. So mass and the momentum are equal, since pressure is related to momentum. Okay, so this also will increase. Clear? Then next is root mean square speed. Okay, mean square speed is what? That v square. Okay, so for a fixed mass, if we increase the speed, the average speed also will increase, and so pressure also increase. If the speed increases, what happens? Pressure also is going to be increased. Clear? So these are the factors that pressure depends on. Clear with this?